Be the envy of your friends in this 2005 Holden Commodore.
Experience the pleasure of driving this vehicle with a reliable 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, central locking, an alarm system, a CD player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, power windows, ventilated disc brakes.
The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. Rest assured, safety elements are included to provide you with a secure ride. Call today to schedule a test drive.